So the experience, the workshop, I love the different sections she brought us through, and it was almost like it all flowed, but yet each section had its own purpose. It brought up a lot of different emotions and feelings, and helped me feel like I can guide myself better now after taking the workshop. It really helped and made a difference. I enjoyed just taking an object and feeling that object of what it was like, what it is to that person, what it means to that person. I also enjoyed reading the person and seeing what just came to me and just flowing with it and just accepting whatever came. I thought that was pretty neat and almost liberating in a way. Stephanie's channeling. She has this way of her where she says things that just like hit you in different ways in a good self-growth way, and releasing of beliefs or things, negative things that you might hold on, or concerns. And she just helps you cut that cord and let you be and be who you are. How accurate she is. It almost surprised me. I didn't think she was going to be as accurate as she is. I know that's kind of a crazy thing to say, but she just nailed just everything she said.